Hey guys, today I have with me the OPPO Reno 6 5G. The smartphone offers a 6.43-inch AMOLED display, having a pixel density of 409 ppi and a refresh rate of 90 Hz. OPPO Reno 6 5G has a bezel-less punch-hole display with Corning Gorilla Glass V5 protection. On the right spine, you'll find the power button. On the other side, the phone has a volume rocker. The bottom of the phone features a USB Type-C port, SIM tray and a speaker grill. OPPO Reno 6 5G comes with a triple camera setup with OPPO branding at the bottom. So that's all as far as the design is concerned. Now let's get into the details about the internals. OPPO Reno 6 5G comes with a MediaTek Dimensity 900 chipset with 6nm fabrication. For multitasking, you will get 8GB of RAM and the internal capacity of the smartphone is 128GB. OPPO Reno 6 5G offers a 4300 mAh battery powered by a 65W SuperVOOC charging facility. Coming to the camera aspects, the phone features a 64MP triple camera setup and includes a 64MP primary camera supported by an 8MP ultra-wide-angle camera and a 2MP macro camera. Also, the phone offers a 32MP front camera. The software version of the OPPO Reno 6 5G is Android 11 with ColorOS. So guys, that's it for OPPO Reno 6 5G. Thank you so much for watching this